thee behind me. When something is behind you, first of all, it could seem like you're vulnerable turning your back to something, because your back is vulnerable. That's why you always want somebody back there, right? To watch your back. But what that means, get thee behind me, it means you no longer have your attention upon it. When you remove your attention from something, it withers and it dies. So it doesn't matter what you remove your attention from. It is irrelevant. The act of removing the attention from something kills it. You don't have to kill it. You just have to take your attention away from it. So the inner argument that you have in your head, because that's what was happening, wasn't actually some red guy with a tail and a pitchfork, and it wasn't like that. It's what was going on internally.